Hey guys, I hope you're all well. I recently posted on my Instagram story some new products that I was trying. I recently dyed my hair as well, as you can see, with the Creme of Nature products. So I thought, why not try out some more of their range and see if it's as great as the hair dye was. This video is going to be a review of the Creme of Nature from Morocco Argan Oil range. Intense conditioner and sulfate-free shampoo. So stay tuned to find out what I think of these products. Starting off with the shampoo, this is a sulfate-free moisture and shine shampoo. Usually people rave about the smell of products, but I honestly don't think this really smells of anything. I don't think it lathered much in my hair. I did actually use quite a lot in the end. Like, I've only used it once and I've already used like about that much in one wash, which is quite a lot. I can definitely say that when I put this in my hair did feel very moisturized, not very stripped, and also it had quite a lot of slip, so I would have been quite happy detangling with just this shampoo in, which is quite crazy. The ingredients, most of the ingredients I can't read. Don't necessarily think that's a good thing. If I was going to review and give this like a rating out of 10, I actually think I would say a 7. It wasn't amazing, like it didn't blow me away, my hair didn't feel the best it's ever felt, but for a shampoo I think it did what it said on the bottle. Like, it actually did moisturize. I did get to detangle and I really did quite enjoy using this product. Yeah, I think it's quite a good shampoo. I do have high porosity hair. I do struggle to retain moisture all the time. I actually was really happy that this shampoo added moisture. I don't usually get that from a shampoo. So moving on to the conditioner now. As I said with the shampoo, I felt the moisturizing properties, like my hair actually felt really soft and really great. As soon as I put the conditioner in, it tangled. That was a definite warning sign to me. I've started detangling my hair in the shower because I just feel like it helps the wash day process. It can be very stressful and long. When I put this in, I was so disappointed because I actually felt like I was just breaking my hair. I tried to finger detangle. It was just a matted mess. And that freaked me out because I'm just like, what sort of a conditioner mats your hair? It said go under a shower cap for 10 to 15 minutes. So I thought, okay, possibly heat would help this conditioner to be better. And I'll admit it was a lot better after the heat. But once I had washed out the conditioner, I still felt like it was really difficult for me to detangle my hair. What sort of a conditioner doesn't condition? So if I was going to give this a rating out of 10, I actually think it would be a 4. Smell? It smells like the shampoo, but worse. I actually don't like the smell of this at all. And I don't really think it did much. So shampoo, 7 out of 10. Conditioner, definite 4, possibly 3 out of 10. I'm not feeling it at all. Sorry about that. So I hope this review has been helpful. Would I recommend that you purchase this set? Possibly not, because the shampoo was okay, the conditioner wasn't the one. I definitely think there's something better out there. But if you have tried this, let me know if it works on your hair in the comments below. And if you want to see more hair product reviews, please let me know as well, because I am an avid natural. I love trying new products. My bank account might not love me for it, but I am actually a product junkie. So yes, that's my review and I'll see you in the next video.